He's eating. Yes, she's eating the nuts.
Oh.
Yeah.
But where is his love?
Where's the what?
Where is that girl love?
What?
The girl
Her
one.
love?
Yeah.
I don't know where her love is.
The girl one.
The girl one. So this is the boy.
Yeah.
You think?
The other girl one. The purple.
Oh, do you think they're two girls?
Yeah.
Ah, could be. It happens.
The purple girl one with the purple tail.
The purple tail? Oh, I thought it was pink.
But that one is pink.
Mm.
Oh, I thought it was my favorite color.
He's cute. He's noshing on those nuts.
Nope. That one. The pink one. Over there.
Over there? He'll come back. He'll come back.
Look at my favorite color. The purple one.
He's eating all that. Hopefully there's some left by the time he comes back, huh?
I love the purple ones. Me too. I love the purple tail.
Okay, he'll come back. Calm down. Yeah. They're so cute when they go on their hind legs, huh?
Yeah. And you love
They
the
chew.
pink tail?
They chew at that nut. Oh, he's... I
The
guess
tail
they'll...
is not
Yeah, he's so cute. Yeah. Nom, nom, nom. There he goes. There he goes. He's like... He's going in the wrong direction. If you come back this way, there's more. There's a whole trail of nuts.
But he went the no, there's not, girl.
There's a whole bunch right there.
But it is promise to what if you but if you follow it, girl, you get treasure. That means nuts.
You got a treasure of nuts?
Yeah.
What's he digging at? He found something out there.
He found nuts.
Oh, you know what? I think he's burying them. Yeah. Is he burying them? I thought they did that closer to winter.
He have crops.
There, he's coming back. Look, he's got
Mom,
what?
did
What?
you know sometimes girls save nuts?
Sometimes girls save the nuts. Yes,
No.
that's.
No, girls.
Can you?
Squirrels.
Squirrels. Yes, good job.
They taste the nuts.
The squirrels. Yes.
Sometimes we bury them
Mm-hmm.
and save them for the winter.
I think she's burying them through the yard. So she'll probably be back. She probably went over there by the tree to bury more, and then she'll come back for more.
So he can dig them up when it's gonna be cold. When it's gonna be cold again, but she's not gonna eat them right away. She's gonna save them for the winter.
Wow.
Eat a little bit of them. I have to go pee.
You have to go pee.
Go,
Okay.
go. Look, for the other one comes. This.
Oh, he's coming. He or she is coming. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I think she heard it. She's coming. She's coming back.
You have a squirrel.
Yeah, there's a squirrel in that tree over there.
Yeah, it's a circle. So how?
Right there. Oh, you see him popping out. Oh my goodness, he's popping out of that hole. How cute. Oh, here he comes now.
That camouflage.
He's camouflaged. You're right. You can barely see him. Oh,
But he's still brown.
He's brown, yes. So the tree is brown. So
The purple.
is that the one with the pink or purple tail?
No, it's just the purple tail.
It's just a purple tail.
Yeah.
So you see this squirrel over by the tree?
No.
Look over by the tree on the ground.
And see.
Yeah, apparently up. Did you see the hole up in the tree?
Yeah.
That's where he lives. He or she lives.
That's where all the squirrels live.
All the squirrels.
But they're gonna make more holes.
They're
for
gonna-
other first.
Oh, so they help build homes for the other squirrels.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Like all the purple shorts, like all the pink shorts, for all the horse,
All the squirrels, every color, right?
purple and kind of pinkish,
Kind of pinkish, yeah.
like a pink butter.
Yes.
You like Mora's pink butter.
Uh-huh.
He come back!
Did she come back? Oh.
Mom, he come back! I see her. Good.
You see her on that side?
Yeah.
I wonder if she might be making a nest. Maybe.
For all the
Little baby squirrels.
Mommy.
What?
She's on this side.
Okay. Let's see. Dearie. Where's she? Oh, there's a screen over here, so you really can't. Oh, there she goes. Where's she going? Follow her.
I don't follow her.
She's going over by the old swing set, huh?
Yeah. No, he got to a nursing set.
Maybe.
Why don't we go to there
Uh-huh.
and see her?
Quietly go to there and see. Oh, I see her. She just came out of the pile of limbs we cut down. Did you see her?
Slide down.
No. Did she slide down? She went down the slide?
No.
No.
Yes, he did. He did. Follow me. He's coming on the other side. What? He's doing? No. That called camouflage.
It's camouflaged, yes.
Into the garden where all the worms are.
Oh, you think she went after worms?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Here comes a bird to eat the nuts.
So he can eat them. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Go away.
It's okay. We put plenty of nuts out there. And I'll put some pretzels or granola or something. Oh, she's coming back.
And now the food?
Well,
Do it out.
yes, all the food that we're not going to
Eat.
Yeah.
But you can
Oh.
borrow some more. Some more. He's eating them on the other side. I can see her. But I guess it's a bird.
There's the bird. He's getting some.
That's called camouflage.
That's called camouflage, yes. Oh, is that bird? That bird's in the circle, huh?
All animals called camouflage.
All animals camouflage?
Yeah.
Oh.
Away.